Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. A very short video. Actually, you'll notice this is the second video for today. So for those of you who have commented, quite reasonably I guess, that I have a lot of reviews on at the moment, or in particular things like these AliExpress codes, I've published one of my normal videos and this informational one in the same day. Yeah, so win-win, I think. And the great thing about the codes, by the way, is that it's all win-win, because if you use AliExpress, you can buy basically whatever you want to buy and use these codes. It's not saying buy what I say, just purchase whatever you like. But I do have some suggestions, and the reason for today's quick video is that the codes I was using and gave to you guys, which should have run until the middle of September, actually expired early. So the codes went off on the 16th of August. It's now the 18th of August. I have a new set of codes for you. These ones only run for about 10 days. There will be some more after that. So just a very quick look at what you have coming, what I'm likely to review from AliExpress, and I'll just show you the codes you can use. At the moment, by the way, myself and Julie, my wife, are in the process of updating as many of the video descriptions as we can. But certainly in this video and a lot of the recent ones, you will now find this new set of codes. Okay, so continue saving money on AliExpress. I'll just show you what we have coming. So if you follow the link now in the latest videos, you'll see we have codes valid from the 17th of August, okay, which was yesterday. These, as I say, will only last till I think around the 26th of August, these particular ones. But you can see codes here. You'll notice these are in dollars, so spend this, save that. Spend $10, save 2. Before it was spend $9, save 1. So I actually think these codes actually are giving you more discount than the previous ones. But you don't have very long to use these ones. As I say, guys, I think 26th of August will be the cutoff. So you can save some extra money, yeah? This is the link you will find. If we click on this, this goes to my influencer page. I'm still trying to get around to customizing this, so you will see Learning Electronics Repair on here. And if you look at this influencer recommended here, you'll see this one. So actually this is one of the items I've currently ordered to review. I know a lot of you guys were interested in this one. So this was the curve tracer. I made a few videos showing how to use this. A lot of you guys were buying them, but this is a fairly expensive item. There's another version here. Look, it's made by the same people who made this one. It doesn't have a built-in screen. You can connect this to an oscilloscope. So I have a lot of oscilloscopes here. We'll make a review of this one and find out how many of the scopes I have it actually works with. Yeah, and whether it works as well as this one did. Here you'll see, by the way, the Aneng 870. I've been asked a number of times to review this one. This is actually the same as the meter I have already reviewed with a different brand name. I'm fairly certain, but we'll open it up and have a look. But it was cheaper. It's cheaper than the other option and appears to be identical. So we'll make a video about that one soon. Before this, this one's still on the way. I have this one coming. So this is a infrared preheater. Let's have a play with that one. And I have this one coming. So this is the NVMe health tester thing, a bit like the one we did with the SATA tester. It's down here somewhere. Yeah, so yeah, like that SATA tester, but an NVMe version of this. Okay, so we're going to have a look at that as well. Also, the most observant of you will see that the coupon codes I have here are actually in euros, whereas the ones in the video description are in dollars. It's the same. So all AliExpress coupon codes are actually in dollars, but they convert automatically to your local currency. So when you follow my link, you should see this in your currency. So if you use pounds or something else, you should see it there. But the percentage discount should be the same. To use the codes, by the way, all you need to do is purchase an item, put it in your basket, go to buy now, and when you get to the buy now, there's a little box where it says enter coupon code. You find the one that suits the order value that you're making, click on copy here and paste it into the little box. where it says coupon code and it takes the discount off. Okay, I showed this on the previous video, so I'll just link that for you guys. Save doing it again. Okay, so really that was all. Yeah, new coupon codes last about 10 days, but probably till payday. And whereas before we were getting about 10%, these are giving you about 20%. But as I say, and not pressurizing, but the fact is they will not last very long. Okay, so if you're thinking of buying something, now is a damn good time. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Chat in the comments below. Hope you don't feel this interrupted your repair viewing on the channel. Chat in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you all soon again on Learning Electronics Repair. Happy shopping and ciao for now, guys.